guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on, but this is my daytime makeup look. This is a look I would wear out and about all day or to work, and we're going to turn it into a more Valentine's Day date night appropriate makeup look. I'm so excited for this. So I'm going to take you guys with me as I get ready for a Valentine's Day date night. So I hope you guys really enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up along the way if you do. So if you want to see how I take this and turn it into the Valentine's Day look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have zoomed you guys in closer so you can see what I'm doing. I wore my hair curly all day, so I just threw it up into a really messy pony. I think it looks so cute, and I'm going to be wearing like a Victorian style collared top, so I just wanted the hair out of the way. Okay, so first off is all day. Your face is probably shiny by now. I know mine gets shiny, so I'm just going to do a little bit of powdering with my Revlon Photo Ready Setting Powder. And then I'm just going to touch up my brows. They're really not too bad, but I'm just going to fill in the little areas that maybe have like worn off throughout the day. So now I want to just kind of intensify my contour slightly because we have been out all day, and more neutral looks, you don't tend to go too crazy with your contour. So I am actually going to go into my Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette. This is the one I've been using all the time, and I'm just going to intensify up my contour. And then I'm just going to take my Airbrush complexion brush and really blend that in, and then start bronzing up the rest of my face. That looks better. And now I'm going to do my blush, so I'm going to just top off my blush a little bit more, and where's my highlighter? And I'm going to intensify my highlight a little bit more. So I'm actually going to use this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to go in with one of these pinker highlights. Not sure yet, but I am going to do that just to put the blush and the highlight on my face. Okay, so now is the fun part. We are going to start with the eyes. We're going to smoke this look up just a little bit because, well, we're going out on a date night. So I'm going to take this color. It's called Mischief in the Yes Please palette by ColourPop. This is actually what I did my everyday makeup look with this morning. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to work it into the crease. What side is your bad eye? Because like I always have trouble doing this eye. Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so we're going to switch things up a little bit, and I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette, and I'm going to take the color After Party. It is like this really pretty red color, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And then we're just going to go ahead and blend that in with a little bit more of Mischief. And then before I do my inner corner, I'm going to just connect everything with a little bit more Mischief. Okay, so now I'm going to take Angel Fire in the Urban Decay's Heavy Metal palette and put that on my inner corner, and then I'll work it down just to really brighten up the whole look. Now I am just going to, because I don't use eyeliner, I don't like it. I'm going to use the black in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. You can use any black eyeshadow for this, or even eyeliner. And I'm just going to do my eyeliner. Yeah. Now we need to choose the lip. I have been really torn. I swatched all of these. I don't know whether I should go pink, which are these two, or red. I feel like with this eye, red would be a little bit intense. So maybe I should go for a nice nude pink color. So I'm actually going to line my lips with the Dash of Pink by e.l.f. It's their matte lip color. And then I'm going to fill everything in with my Julianne's Nude. It's very, very nude. It's basically my lip color. It just has a little bit of a shine. So that is me taking my more daytime, everyday look and turning it into a more Valentine's Day date night appropriate look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I am so excited about how it turned out. I think it looks so great. The red in the Heavies Metal palette, it blew me away. Amazing. But if you liked it, definitely give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. What plans do you have? Do you have any traditions that you follow? For me, generally my boyfriend and I, we just go out to dinner and then we just hang out, and especially because it's going to be a work night, so we're gonna have to get up early the next day. Let me know if you guys do anything special or unique. I'd love to know what you guys are up to. Then remember to head down to the box below and hit the little subscribe button. You can also click my face at the end. I would love to have you join the channel. I have a new video up every Monday. I hope you guys have a wonderful and loving Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep blushing forward. Bye!